to our channel. So today we are going to be making the delicious quinoa bowl. So first we're just going to heat up your pan and then put your oil in it. And then you're going to put in your tomato and your bell pepper and cook until it's tender crisp. Roughly 35 minutes to cook. Ready. Sweets.
That good right there.
This is what it looks like. Tender crisp. It smells good.
It do. Smell like fajitas.
So next you want to add in your cooked quinoa and then your bell pepper mixture, your basil, and then your seasonings. Give it a good stir, and that's it. Results of the quinoa bowl. Now we're just gonna plate it.
It wasn't that bad. Alright, so we finna do this little taste tester and see if the getting is good, yeah, man.
Gotta get it while the getting is good.
Gotta get it while they getting is good. Okay.
Right.
Gotta get it while they getting is good. Different.
Definitely different. Ow.
This tastes like something that you can get from like a Jamaican or Caribbean type of restaurant. You know what I'm saying? This has like an island vibe to it, for sure. So with that being said, I do like this. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like this. It's something sexy about it. You know what I'm saying?
I'll probably like squeeze some type of lemon or lime juice on it.
Okay, I see where you're going with it.
Yeah.
This is definitely good. I'll say like a side dish. You know what I'm saying? Side dish to your main course. A smaller version bowl.
Yeah.
And we'll get it with like a entree. It's smooth. I like this. On a scale from 1 to 10, I ain't gonna lie. This is like an 8.5. You know what I'm saying?
I'll give it a 7.
Or 7?
Yeah.
I think this is popping. I ain't gonna lie to you. It just gives me island vibes. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, once again, don't go by our opinion. If it look good, if it's something that you into, if you real heavy in the alkaline diet, you're gonna really like this. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and jump right into that comment section. This is the D.Chanel and Quan show, and we out.